Oh, okay, that's it. So it's like 52 minutes. Split is 8:55, 5.4 miles. Most of the per miles is somewhere around 9:50, somewhere around 9. I want to go for more, but unfortunately it's already 9:39 and it's almost time for Kobe 5 drop and 10 o'clock, so I had to stop. I need to go. I hope I could buy me of this Kobe for the collection. If it's only have one size or I can only got one, then it's okay. But I'm gonna try. Things that I noticed on this shoe is that if I go for around like lower than like somewhere 11, because I started that speed, it's like I'm hurting somewhere. I'm hurting on my foot, on my knees, and when I did to speed it up, take the speed up a little bit more, like 9 or 10, it went better. Like it felt relaxed. I don't feel like tired. I don't feel the pain on my knees. I don't feel the pain on my foot. If you want to look for this one, you want to buy something like this one, go for your actual size. Comfortable, padding, very light. Also the cushioning and the back is like wow, really good cushioning. Also on the forefoot, somewhere the Zoom X, if I'm not mistaken, is that the Zoom X? It is really responsive also. I would say much better, and for more speed like 9 all the way to 7 or 5, it is much better than this one. This is not this is not for some kind of relaxed shoes that you can go for like 10, 11 pace, something like that, because I know it just me, because I felt something when I'm doing that pace, but then when I go for a speed up the tempo, then it went well. It's really good. So other than that, love this one. I would go past this one like 9 or 10, and also maybe much better than Ultra Boost. So all right, another good finds from the foot side, which is the Finish Line, and we bought a decent amount of this particular shoes. Another running shoes, as you can see right there, it's a Pegasus. Somewhere out here, and another two right there. So this one is the women's Nike Air Zoom Pegasus 36, and the retail on this one is 125. As you can see, we purchased this the October 12. As you can see, Air Zoom Pegasus 36, and they had the sale 31.80, and there we go, boom. Hey, why I bought this one on the finish line? Because you can't beat that price, and you can't see this price on the Nike outlet. You can't see the Air Zoom Pegasus 36 for 30 bucks, $30 for this one. No way, right? Because even though the Nike outlet doing some kind of promotion, 30% off or whatever kind of promotion they're doing, it will not drop this very low. I haven't seen Pegasus line that go down like this $30. So I said if I could get more, like even though 100 pair of this one, I'll take it, because it is a good running shoes, a good line of Pegasus running shoes. It's a no-brainer to get this one. I got all the last stock. So another pair here. We got here the Air Zoom Pegasus Shield. It's about $40-$80 when they are doing sale. It's a good running shoes, just like the same as this one. It's all just the matter of when will you use it. Good for summer, rainy days, and winter. Goodbye, another goodbye, because I told you you can't buy that price on the Nike outlet. This is much better than that one, because if you can, I can get a bigger size on this one. I could convert it to men's size. So as you can see right here, water repellency, reflective, wet traction. That is a really good traction right here for running shoes. See, a lot of traction right there. So another goodbye, $39.75. You can't beat that price for a good running shoes, a good model for Air Zoom Pegasus running shoes Shield, and the retail $130, and I got them for $39.75. So not bad for those. That's a no-brainer. It's a good time to get those in stock, especially today is this season right now that we have in here is rainy season, and it's almost winter. So goodbye for those, and probably I'm still keeping those for the summer, and probably some buyers still gonna get those because what's going on right now, some people can't go outside and they are running on the treadmill. Still a good buy for those. 30 bucks, you can't beat that one. All right, so let's go for running. Today I decided to run with these Jordan shoes, Runner shoes, because I really like the color though. So trying to do 5 miles, probably half of it, like 2.5 miles, and then another 2.5 miles with the next percent tempo. Let's see. So during the run, I felt something with this Jordan Runner. I didn't really like it. The return is kinda hard or something. It's like I don't have any shoes at all. It's like hard. I don't feel like that too much cushioning. So I'm gonna go to the next percent tempo. What? That's kind of a little bit hurt. Ouch.